Now let's talk about some key design and quality requirements, starting with ATDs. So for an ATD, there is an absolute requirement to seal well within the permeate tube of a given element. Absolutely critical to have good sealing integrity in and around the permeate tube to provide that segregation of feed and retentate away from the permeate stream through the centre core. You want a high strength ATD, and particularly where the load forces are the highest within a particular membrane vessel train, and that'll always be on the very end element in series, so the permeate end of the last element in series. High load forces, therefore, we always recommend a stainless steel ATD on the very end of an element in the pressure vessel series. You want a good design that maximises the flow of feed or liquid retentate through the ATD, providing minimal restriction. Therefore, you can optimise and minimise the actual membrane area required. There are some ATDs like this whole plate type. There's a lot more restriction, not as open as a wheel type ATD. So you want that maximum flow, not only on product but through the ATD wheel itself on CIP. And you want a design that correlates with the outside diameter of the membrane, so that provides good sealing integrity, but also matches the outside diameter of the membrane with the outside diameter of the ATD. So good strength and good stability against the outside edge of the membrane. So just on ATDs, there are three types that are used in the industry. There's this whole plate type. There is what's referred to as the star type ATD, and then the ATD that Smart Membranes manufactures is what we call the wheel type ATD. So it's absolutely key to have that matching of outside diameter to the outside diameter of the membrane element. And also, you want to optimise the design to minimise any scraping or restriction along the vessel wall. So you don't want the ATD protruding from the outside diameter of the membrane. So good correlation there makes for a good integrity of element construction in place under pressure, but also optimising its ease of design, fit and removal within pressure vessels. A good ATD design will also maximise the flow in and around the centre core of the ATD. Now that flow is particularly important when the plant is on CIP, so you want to maximise the transfer of liquid to the core of the ATD and in and around that core, and clean and promote good cleaning in and around that core. So that's another important design requirement. So that's a brief overview of ATDs and end plugs. Smart Membrane Solutions can advise on all facets of your membrane accessories, so if you should have any questions surrounding your plant accessories or components, please feel free to reach out to us, and we'll be more than happy to help.